Indian Suezmax tanker covertly delivered Iranian oil to Syria and ran aground. Suezmax crude oil tanker Tour 2 was to be refloated and taken from Latakia beach, Syria, this or next week, probably. Tugs are already underway, after salvage company was contracted. Tanker was beached by storm on Jan 15-16, photos appeared in social nets shortly after grounding, but the name was unreadable and there was no AIS record of any big ship anywhere near Latakia coast. Russian and Ukrainian social nets assume big ship arrived from Russia, but Russian-Ukrainian observers often make mistakes and take false assumptions, especially in matters maritime. Well, as it finally became known, tanker didn't arrive from Russia, but still, her voyage was performed in a clandestine manner. Tour 2 loaded a shipment of crude oil at Cargo Island, Iran, transited Suez Canal and switched AIS off around December 24 to 25, shortly after leaving port said, being already underway in Med. Tanker disappeared from radars, literally. She offloaded her cargo at Bangia's refinery, Syria, and anchored off Latakia. She was beached by storm, with Indian crew remaining on board up until now. Crude oil tanker Tour 2, IMO 9,364,112, DWT 158,817, built 2007, flag Panama, manager Khadija Ship Management Private, India, since October 2018.